Several states are facing a shortage of vaccines. The latest to have been given an approval recently is Sputnik V. Now, Sputnik V is going to be producing the vaccines locally in association with Dr. Reddy's.
Which we are engaging very closely with the government and with the other stakeholders. And we should be able to update everyone in the next few weeks. I just want to check if Satish, you would want to add anything to this? Pranav, you will have to unmute Satish and Prasad.
Okay. No, I was just saying, Deepak, not much to add besides what you said. The important thing is, I think even from the government, they're seized of the matter. And this discussion will continue because there has to be a framework of pricing on which, we can also start discussing with the government. So this will start very shortly. And I think whenever we have the updates as a company, we will get back to you with the details.
Sure, Satish, thanks. I think we've now addressed all questions. There's one more from India today we've just received. If doses are imported from Russia, what role will DRL play? And by when will the manufacturing start in India?
Sure. So I'll take that. So DRL will play the role of importing, quality harmonization, distribution and marketing of the vaccine. What we are also going to do, irrespective of whether the vaccine is made in India or imported, is that the entire process of harmonization of quality, of safety, of regulatory, of pharmacovigilance, of making sure that Sputnik is consistent across the world, irrespective of whether it is imported or it is made at any one of the sites. That stewardship we are providing. We're making sure that Sputnik stands for a harmonized quality for the same product, which is of the same standard, same quality, same specifications, meets the same regulatory requirements, irrespective of where it's manufactured. So DRL has that very, very important stewardship to play in terms of ensuring that harmonization. In addition to that, we are going to take the responsibility of distribution and marketing of this product in India.
Sure. Thanks, Deepak. I would like to request Prasad and Satish if there are any additional comments they'd like to make. We've, I believe, addressed all the questions that have come to us.
No, I think we don't have much to add. I think this is an opportunity for Dr. Reddy's to play an important part in finding a good solution for the pandemic. And we will do our best to bring the vaccine as fast as possible to as many people as possible in this country. And we are committed to that. Thank you.
Thank you, Prasad. Thank you, Satish. Thank you, everyone, for joining. If there are any questions you feel that we've not addressed or you would like us to address, please write into us. We will get back to you individually and address them. We will also share the talking points.
Well, that was Dr. Reddy's lab there. Just some important highlights for our viewers. Sputnik V will be imported by Russia and they expect it to be available this quarter. That's an important takeaway coming. The trial in India has been conducted on 1,600 subjects and the interim data is in line with Russian trials. There were no serious side effects that were reported. That is Dr. Reddy's lab there giving us an update of Sputnik. Well, with that,